Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your PayPal account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Go to account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually a gear icon in the top right corner of the page or app. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select security options. In the account settings menu, find and select the security tab. This section contains various security features, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Click on it and follow the prompts to enable this feature. You may need to provide a phone number or use an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up 2FA, make sure to confirm your settings and save any changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS or your authentication app to finalize the process. Now your PayPal account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.